How many times have you heard a candle maker on Facebook or Reddit say, I've spent thousands on supplies, equipment, and still could not get my recipe right? So after months, if not years, I gave up and destashed. Or worse, all of their supplies and equipment are still sitting in a closet collecting dust. And candle making was a total waste of time and money, leaving them feeling defeated with another broken dream that didn't pan out. Well, I'm here to tell you that that doesn't have to be the way it ends. How much would it be worth to get your recipe right on the first or second try? Well, if you ask one of them, I'm willing to bet they would say it would be priceless. And honestly, I'm one of them. The only difference between them and me was I didn't quit trying to figure it out. My very first batch of candles are still, matter of fact, sitting in a box in my coat closet collecting dust. But I wasn't doing this for a hobby. I was in a job that I hated, and I knew candles was my way out. So I had to figure it out. Staying where I was not an option. And after spending every single spare minute working on my candles while at home, after about a year, I finally cracked the code. Mind you, at this time, I was still an over the road full time truck driver. So my home time was literally one, maybe two weekends per month max. After I got my recipe finally dialed in, I was able to start selling them. This was also a slow and steady process. But once I nailed it, I scaled it to a six-figure candle business, which has drastically changed my life. And now I want to pay it forward by helping struggling candle makers and candle business startups do the same. I've created two courses to help them. The one I specifically want to talk to you about today is my candle making course called Rustic Candle Secrets. It dives deep on candle making 101 and helps you get your recipe dialed in fast, saving you a ton of time, money, and frustration. This course previously sold for $997 and helped countless candle makers get started on the right foot right out the gate. And for a very limited time, I'm giving it all away at 90% off. Yep, you heard me right. You can have the shortcut secrets to start making beautiful burning candles from day number 1 for less than the amount most candle maker newbies spend on fragrance oil and wax in their first month trying to figure it out all on their own. So stop struggling and get some much needed guidance from a candle business owner who has been in your exact shoes not long ago. Click the link below to get access to Rustic Candle Secrets now and join me on the other side. But hurry, I don't know how long I will give away all of these candle making secrets at 90% off. Click the link below to claim this special offer today while it's still available.